Refer number 6. So we have to distinguish between 2-deoxyglucose and 3-deoxyglucose. So deoxyglucose means from the OH the oxygen is removed. Suppose if you have like this, so from this hydroxyl group this oxygen is removed and that is called deoxy. So 2-deoxyglucose and 3-deoxyglucose, how to distinguish? Here we have to use the reagent, the phenyl hydrazine CCH5 NHNH2. And if you use 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine with 3-deoxyglucose, we get what's called the ozone. You know very well, because the phenyl first one what's called the phenyl hydrazone is formed, and 1 mole this will act as what's called the oxidizing agent also, and the first 1 and 2 the second group is attached to a carbonyl group, and that will react with what's called the phenyl hydrazine to give the finally the ozone. But in the case of 2-deoxyglucose, what happens that in the second carbon what's called oxygen is removed, it becomes deoxy. Therefore phenyl hydrazine cannot form a ozone there. Therefore the better reagent to distinguish 3-deoxyglucose and 2-deoxyglucose is phenyl hydrazine, and in the case of 3-deoxyglucose we get ozone, and in the case of 2-deoxyglucose we get only the phenyl hydrazone.